Hi, this is Andy, and I just wanted to share with you my desktop pencil holders that I created out of tin cans and disposable plastic cups. So, basically, what I did was I took my tin cans and I painted them, and I put felt over that. And then I used my Nestability and a Werner's pop can and did the little cutout there. I thought that was sweet. Now here's one. This was made out of a tomato paste can. And this has my tools for my mantle dot art. And this one I did the little Cuttlebug, and I used my Sizzix puppy and the Cuttlebug buttons. That's out of the pop can also, both of these are. And I do have a video on that, if you'd like to check that out, how you can cut out the tin cans and use them through your Cuttlebug, through your Sizzix, to create all kinds of cute little things. And but for my granddaughter, and as you can see, I have something up here, and I've got a picture of my granddaughters, and she has a YouTube channel, the Sumster Show, and it's by the kids for kids. So if you have children, you gotta check it out. She's the sweetest thing, and it would be a really nice show for children to be watching. So if you've got children, check out the Sumster Show. And if your child says your Nana sent you, I am sure she's gonna give you the biggest smile ever. She's a sweetie. Now, this here I did using yarn. And then I did the boa feathers around the top of this can. And then I put a little tassel on it with a charm. And I thought that came out really, really cute. Now these I did for my granddaughters, for their desk. And this one is just all boa feathers. And it's made out of a can. I guess I should clean that up a little bit more on the bottom. But that's a soup can. And this one is also made out of the yarn. And this one is from a plastic cup. Now, here's another one made out of a plastic cup. This is a drinking cup. And it works great. Now, with these cans, sometimes they're a little too sharp, the ones with the pull tabs. I suggest that you use your can opener, run through it again after you've opened it, or even just use the can opener to open, because there's a sharp edge. And what I did was I took foam and I just laid the foam inside, placed it in, and then I folded this down. But before I folded it down, I took the paper off of the adhesive just around here, just that much, and then I folded it over. That way that cushions that. And if it's for children, you want to protect their little hands. So that foam worked out really good. There's, it's gonna be safe for them. And then just if you want, or whatever you want to do, I just thought it was a cute idea to put a little bit of felt around it and then attach whatever you want to it. And with the cups, when you're using plastic cups, that foam, if you want to put foam around it, it just stabilizes it a little bit more. But it's, I think, really nice where it's gonna hold good and it beats throwing it in the landfill. So anyways, I thought you could just dress up these cans and jars, and I ran out of jars, so I don't have one for jars. But like I said, these are for my granddaughters for their desk. And if you have a chance, check out the Sumster Show. And if you like what you see and you have children, then let them check it out. I think they will like it too. Well, I can't think of anything else. Check out my other videos on how to do the cutouts. It really is cute. I mean, these things are adorable. So, you have a wonderful day, and thumbs up if you like what you see, and subscribe if you like getting tips, ideas for projects. I love to do the arts and crafts, and I'm always coming up with something. So thank you very much. Bye.